YT Music versus Spotify. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you three benefits of YT Music, and also I will tell you three benefits of Spotify. So you guys can choose which one is best for you. So let's go to YT Music benefits. In YT Music, the first benefit was you guys can get huge variety of songs, also live performances, remixes because it's connected with YouTube. The second benefit was it was aid free music and background play, like you guys can songs on background play. The third benefit was it works perfectly with YouTube Premium. Like if you subscribe YouTube Premium, you guys will get also YT Music. So let's go to Spotify three best benefits. The first benefit of Spotify was you guys can discover best musics like on weekly basis, daily musics. Also, you guys can get great playlists. The second was higher audio quality, like up to 320 kbps. The third was it works on almost every device like TV, car, PC speakers, etc. So these three are the benefits of Spotify. Thanks for watching.